Meaning of C and W. C and W. C and W.
C and W. C and W. C and W is a commonly used abbreviation for the musical genre known as country and western. This music style originated in the southern United States with roots in blues, folk, and gospel music. Country music typically features lyrics about love, life, and heartache, and is often accompanied by instruments such as acoustic guitars, fiddles, and banjos. The Western aspect of the genre often focuses on themes of cowboys, ranching, and the American West. The popularity of country and Western music has spread around the world and continues to be a beloved genre for many music lovers.